Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a border here in Constant Contact. All right. It's actually pretty easy to do. So first up, go ahead and go to the left panel, and here, as you can see, we are under Build, but just go ahead over to Design, click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we have the outer background and the outer border. So add in a border thickness right here. Click on the up arrow to add a border thickness, like so, maybe 7. And then I'm going to click on the color right here to change the border color. For example, I'm going to match it to my logo in here. Maybe I'll use this one. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, the border color has been changed, and we have added a border. And as you can see here, you can go ahead and further customize this one. If you want to change the background color, you can go ahead and do so by clicking on this edit button, or if you want to, you can go ahead and add in an image right here. For example, click on it and then hit on edit. As you can see, we have patterns that you can just easily click, and there you have it. If you want a more custom photo, you can go ahead and click on select custom, and here it will open up your library. Okay, for example, this one, my photo right here. I'm just going to click on it, hit on insert, wait for it, and there you have it. Inner background, if you want to change it, you can go ahead and change it from here. This one is the article border. All right, you can go ahead and change it as well. For example, this color, just like so. And the dividers right here. Under build, we have the dividers. If you want to see it, I'm just going to show you right here. Real quick. There you go. I'm going to go back to design, change the divider color, same as my logo, like so. And there you have it. Well, I hope this really helps, and I'll see you in the next one.